the first visible evidence it's on the road again. We're gonna go to 4th. Yeah! There it is. I got the 3rd. You hear that? It went right in. Uh-oh, Justy's getting its stripes. Look at that. Oh, the match is pretty good. Look at that. Wow. All right, we'll let Joe do his thing. We're doing some Justy maintenance. Took it for a ride, a little cruise.
This car sounds like shit.
Am I in first gear?
Don't scratch that one.
So much different than the Mustang. I'm driving in the Justy.
Romp on it.
I gotta just make sure it doesn't like to go in a 3rd now. See if I can hit 3rd. It hasn't been wanting to. See, it doesn't want to go into 3rd. There's 3rd. Doesn't want to go into 3rd as soon as I shift it. I don't know what's going on with it. Watch the shift light. It's already going. See if I can go into 3rd. I'm usually pretty good at it, but it's not going to go lately. Nope. Doesn't want to go. There it is. Don't know why it wants to do that. There we go. We're in 4th gear.
What are we doing, like 40 miles an hour?
35. I don't know why I won't go to 3rd. It's being weird. Maybe the clutch needs adjusted. Let's see if I could go. I want to get that 3rd gear. I'm worried about that steering. All right, we're on the high. We're on Freeport Road, 2nd gear. Here we go. See if I can miss 3rd gear for the 3rd time. Doesn't want to go. I don't know what's going on with it. Nope, doesn't want to go. There it is again. Doesn't want to go. All right, well, we're gonna drive up Freeport Road. This is the first visible evidence it's on the road again. We're gonna go to 4th. Yeah! Nice night. Drives nice. It drives like 1999 again.
Yeah, it don't feel too bad.
All right, yeah. Oh, well, let me go to 3rd gear. Let's hear the burbles. Ready? If it'll go to 3rd. There we go. Let's see how this goes up to 3rd gear. Yeah, watch out, Birdie. The Justy's coming. No, it doesn't want to go to 4th now. I can't wait to get these. There's 3rd. 2nd. 1st gear. We get to put this on Joe's YouTube video. 1st and 2nd. There it is. I got the 3rd. You hear that? It went right in. See, I don't know what. I just got to be 3rd. There's 3rd. Burbles. Brakes are working. Joe did his job. All right. 1st gear. So let's get the 3rd here. Shift. Ah, it doesn't want to go. And burbles. And we're back. It drives good, huh?
Yeah, it feels pretty decent.
For being sitting for 25 years.
Look at that truck, though.
Oh, it is nice. That is so nice. Uh-oh, Justy's getting its stripes. Look at that. Oh, the match is pretty good. Look at that. Wow. All right, we'll let Joe do his thing. We're doing some Justy maintenance. Took it for a ride, a little cruise. And we're changing some bulbs because the reverse light decided to blow out. Got a Subaru flag from Mr. Del Bianco from the Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix. Mr. Robert got me some tools. There's a tire iron in there and some spark plug pullers. Yeah. Jesse's getting the red. These are like stock on here. They're like rubber plastic built into the side moldings, but we're putting the front ones on. Joe's the master at Nest Customs on doing pinstripings as he did them on his truck out there. He put new ones on recently. New stickers and everything on the back window. Look out.